Mogrt files in different formats. So there's total 2 different formats available now, one for Full HD and one for vertical, if you want to use it on Instagram, TikTok and something like that. In the Full HD you will find 5 different transitions, and same in the vertical as well. So install it very easy. Just double click on them and select the transition and drag and drop in this black portion of this browse tab, and it will be installed over here. Now it's very easy, just a drag and drop in the timeline. So let's suppose I have a video in the timeline first, and now you want to transition this video to this video. What you have to do, let's suppose you want to use this 3 screen over here, so just drag and drop on top of it like that, and I'm just going to trim it something like that over here. Now as you can see, if I play back, it will transition like so. Now just select this transition, and all you have to do, just replace this media with your own media. So the first media will be the media you want to transition in. So I'm just going to drag and drop the media over here. And by the way, if you want to adjust the position and scale and the timing of this video, you can do this from here. And then you can select 2 different random video to display over here, and you can extend the duration from here depending on your footage size. I could just play back. It looks nice. And now if you just select this transition and come over here to this other settings, here you can turn off the border if you want. Okay, and you can change the border color. If I just go over here and change the border color to red, something like that, or you can turn off the border if you want. So in the same step, you can just go over here and drag and drop another transition, and this is transition with 2 different drop zones. So you can just drag and drop the video over here, and it will transition in the same way like so. So you get the idea. So this is the same process for everything, even for the vertical videos as well.